There's Emmy trying to feed her baby sister. Careful, get it in her mouth. Wow, good job. Oh, Annie doesn't think so. Oh, not Mommy's coffee. The baby doesn't need any coffee. Thank you. Wow, that's going to taste good. Guess I'm brewing a whole new pot. Yes. And Tim's sister with some more food. Oh, right in the eye. Oh. Okay. Emmy, thank you for your help, but I don't think baby sister wants you to feed her anymore. Oh. Emmy, you got to get in the baby's mouth. No. Emmy, come on. Can Mommy have this spoon, please? Thank you. Oh. Guess Mommy's not doing much better job, huh? Yeah. And the kitty doesn't think so either. This is a day in the life of a stay-at-home mother. Emmy, why don't you just give your sister her pacifier? How about that? Knock this down. Oh! That was our new kitty, who is really not liking it here very much. It's a little chaotic for her. Where'd she go? Oh, good. She went in the bathtub. Hector? What's the matter? You're alright, Hector. Kitty. She's just kind of scared right now. Or traumatized. Okay. Back to Annie being fed. Good job. Oh, I need to feed you some more? Oh, your sister took your spoon. Oh, no. This was right here. Mommy just sat on it, that's all. You get good? You like that, don't you? Good girl. Emmy, why don't you get up and walk? No, I don't mean stand on it. You're going to fall down. Good girl, you're walking. See? You can do it. Good girl. Now just let go of that and just walk. Can you do that? Emmy, why is the dog food bowl in the living room? Did they put it in there? No, stop, put it down before you spill all the doggy's food. Oh, little dumbasses didn't eat it. You did good stuff. You did good stuff. You smile. You smile. Can you talk to the camera? Bye-bye. Emmy, put it down. Damn it. Yeah, hey, look at that. That's kind. And where are you going? Your sister is so crazy. Tutors. Oh, excuse me. Really? Emmy? Can you please walk? Come on. Just stand up and walk. Prove to everyone once and for all that you can do it. Alright, I think the movie time's over. Say bye-bye.